Did you know that your body cannot store vitamin C for a long? That means you need a daily dose to keep your immunity strong, skin glowing, and body energized. Today, let us explore one of the best sources of natural vitamin C for our C. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Myself Ramchandran Nair from Vadodara. In this video, we are talking about a powerful antioxidant supplement for our living, for our C+. Your daily protection shield against stress, pollution, and low immunity. What is for our C+? This is for our C+. These are the ingredients. These are the certifications. Various certifications. Forever C Plus is a high quality vitamin C supplement blended with natural orange bioflavonoids, Arcelona cherries, antioxidant rich ingredients. This helps your body absorb vitamin C slowly and steadily for all day support. Top benefits: boost immunity, healthy glowing skin, powerful antioxidant support, faster healing and recovery, better iron absorption. Who should take? किसको लेना चाहिए? Take for our C+. Students and working professionals, people with low immunity, those who with dull or aging skin, individuals recovering from illness, anyone lacking fruits, vegetables in diet, seniors who need extra antioxidant support. How to use it? Take 1 or 2 tablets daily. I show the tablet. These are the tablets. After meals with water. Consistency is the key for best result. Why choose for our C+? Derived from natural sources like Acerola cherry. Slow release formula supports collagen and skin health. Antioxidant rich, pure, safe, and globally trusted. If you want stronger immunity, younger looking skin, and natural energy boost, Forever C Plus is one of the most effective daily supplements you can add your routine. Thank you.